Okay, welcome again to this part 3 on the chapter 15, which is on probability. The question we'll be doing here is number 6. A dice is thrown 1. What is the probability of getting a number other than 4? Now, what is a dice actually? A dice is a 6 faces cubed where all the faces are marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now the probability of getting other number other than 4 mean you should get 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. That means how many outcome? 5 outcomes, and the possible outcome in a dice, they are 6, all faces of dice. Okay, therefore the probability of not getting 4 will be number of favorable outcome by number of possible outcome, which is 5 by 6. Next, on number 7, a dice is thrown. What is the probability of getting even number? Even number mean there are 2, 4 and 6, that is 3 outcomes. Possible outcome will be all the 6 faces of dice, which is 6. Hence the probability of getting even number will be 3 by 6, cancelling 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, or half is the probability of getting an even number. Number 2, a number less than 5. In a dice, number less than 5, they are 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means how many outcomes? 4 outcomes. Whereas the possible outcome is 6. Hence the probability of getting a number less than 5 is 4 by 6. Which is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now going to the next number, number 3, a number greater than 2. A number which is greater than 2, they are 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means how many outcomes? 4 outcomes. Whereas the possible, it is the same, 6 possible outcome. Hence the probability of getting a number greater than 2 will be 4 by 6, will again which is again 2 by 3. Number 3, number between 3 and 6. Between 3 and 6, they are 4 and 5. That means only 2 outcomes. Whereas the possible outcome, it is again 6. Therefore the probability of getting a number between 3 and 6 is 2 by 6, which is cancelling 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, again 1 by 3. And numbers 5 to number 8, you try to do it by yourself. It's very simple. The only thing that you have to understand, in the dice, the number of faces of the dice are 6 faces, marking number 1 up to number 6, and whatever probability they are asking you to find out, just find out the number of favorable outcomes and divide that number by the possible outcome, which is always 6. You will get the probability of the even given to you. Okay, now next number, we come to number 8. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. If a marble is drawn at random from a box, what is the probability that it will not be a white marbles? Okay, the possible outcome here, how many outcomes? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 7 of 9. I mean 9. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9. The probability of not getting a white marble, does mean only blue and red. 3 plus 4 7. That means 7 is the favorable outcomes, isn't it? Now here, number of possible outcome is all the sum of all these 3 type of marbles, which is 9. The number of favorable outcomes, that is not a white marble. From the total marbles, if you minus the white marbles, there are 2 whites, that is 9 minus 2, which is 7. Okay, that is the favorable outcomes is 7, possible it is 9. Therefore the probability is 7 by 9. Or you can do like this, as I've discussed you earlier, that if you find the probability of a marble which is not white, this means you have to just add blue plus red, 4 plus 3, which is 7 favorable outcome. Okay, in other way you can find out the number of favorable outcomes. Hence the probability of not getting a white marbles will 7 by 9 will be 7. We cannot do cancellation here. It will be 7 by 9 only. Next, number 9 is that a box contains 20 card number from 1 to 20. A card is drawn at random from a box. Find the probability that the number on the card drawn is divisible by 2 or 3. Okay, here there are 20 cards and each card is marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 20. Now the cards which is divisible by 2 or 3, that means it will be the number divisible by 2 or 3. You find out from 1 to 20 how many numbers are divisible by 2 or 3. Number divisible by 2 or 3, they are 2, 3, 4 divisible by 2, 6 divisible by both 2 and 3, 8 divisible by 2, 9 divisible by 3, 10 divisible by 2, and so on till 20. Okay, now you count how many cards that you can divide by 2 or 3. If you count all these numbers from here, you will find that the favorable outcome will be 13. And what will be the possible? The 20 cards, therefore will be 20 possible outcome. And the probability of getting a number divisible by 2 or 3 will be 13 by 20. Here you can cancel, therefore it will be 13 by 20 only. Okay, the next is a prime number. Possible outcome will be the same, 20 cards. A prime number will be, you have to count how many prime are there from 1 up to 20. Prime number from 1 to 20, they are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19, which is 8 favorable outcomes. Hence the probability will be 8 by possible outcome, which is 20. 8 by 20. On cancelling you will get 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 22 by 5. Clear? Therefore in all the problem from here in this chapter 15 on probability, the only thing that you have to be clear with you is to find out the number of favorable outcomes and the number of possible outcome. You read carefully the question given to you, you find out what will be the favorable outcomes and what should be the possible outcome. Divide favorable outcomes by possible outcome will be the probability of the event being asked to you in that question. It's clear? Now this is the end of the part 3. On the next class we will discuss you with the part 4 of this chapter 15. Okay, bye to all of you.